Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to redeem digital codes on Amazon. Whether you've received a gift card from someone or purchased a digital code yourself, redeeming it adds the amount directly to your Amazon balance, which you can then use for any future purchases on the platform. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account where you want the balance to be added, as this is important for accessing your gift card settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, hover your mouse over Account and Lists. This will open a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Amazon profile. Now, on your account page, click on Gift Cards. This section is specifically designed for managing all your gift card activity, including redeeming codes, checking balances, and viewing transaction history. Once you're in the gift cards section, look toward the upper left area of the screen and click on Redeem a Gift Card. This is the option that allows you to enter and apply any digital code you have to your Amazon account balance. You'll now see a field labeled Enter Claim Code. Click inside this field and carefully type in your digital code. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears, including any dashes or capital letters to avoid errors. Double check before moving forward. After entering your code, click Apply to your balance. This action processes the code and adds the corresponding amount to your Amazon gift card balance. You should see a confirmation message on the screen verifying that the code has been successfully redeemed and showing the new balance total. If you want to double-check your updated balance or review the transaction, you can easily do so. Simply navigate back to gift cards and then click on View Gift Card Balance and Activity. This section displays your current balance along with a detailed history of all your gift card transactions, so you can keep track of how much you have available to spend. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your digital code on Amazon, and the funds are now ready to use on your next purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.